Hi. Okay, so we're going to go through lesson 112, okay? And this is still part of our mixed numbers lesson. Now, you probably have already seen that the lesson for math is a little bit different this week, and they're going to be on slides, okay, in your Google Classroom. So I don't know if I'm going to keep on making too many videos for you to watch, only if you find it to be helpful. But try out the slides and work with the slides and see how that helps you. That might be very handy, and you can also check your answers. Okay, but for lesson 112, I'm going to go through and we're going to work on this one together. Okay, if you already did it, great. You can check your work. Okay, number one. The lesson worksheet 112, color 2.5 squares, okay? The mixed number is 2 whole and then half of a square, right? So we're gonna go ahead and shade in 2, okay, 2 whole squares. You guys are going to do a better job than I will, okay? And then half of a square. So you could have done it this way. You could have done it another way. There's many ways, okay? Number 2, color 3.5 circles. Okay, so 3 whole circles. Okay, you guys could choose whichever circles you want to do. 3 whole circles and then a half circle. All right, I'll do it this way. All right. Number 3, color 4 1/4. Okay, 4 1/4. Okay, which is also 4 1/4 squares. So I'm going to color 4 whole ones. That's our whole number. Okay, you guys, I hope you are doing a better job coloring than me. Okay, 4 whole ones and then 1/4. So I have to divide this last one into 4 pieces. And if it's 1/4, I'm going to choose 1 piece of that. Okay. Number 4, color 1 3/4 circles. So 1 full circle, 1 whole circle, and then 3/4 of another one. So again, here I have to cut this one into 4 pieces and color 3 of them. All right. Number 5, write a mixed number to show how much is shaded. So we're going to do the opposite, okay? So number 5, we have write a mixed number. So how many whole ones do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 whole ones. And the last one is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, but only one is shaded. So 5 1/4. Number 6, mixed number. How many circles are whole? 3. 1, 2, 3. And then this one is half of a circle shaded, so 1/2. Number 7, squares, okay? Mixed number. How many whole pieces do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the very last one is divided into 3. 1, 2, 3, but only 2 of those pieces are shaded, so 2/3. Okay. Number 8, mixed number. The whole number is going to be 2 whole circles are shaded. And the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's cut into 4 pieces, but 3 of those are shaded. So 3/4. Okay, pretty simple, right, guys? Not hard at all. Moving over, I'm going to shift my paper into the guided class practice. Okay, so here we go. Okay, draw an 8-centimeter line segment. You guys do that. And for the date line, you're going to measure that one. So using your centimeters, you are going to measure that date line out, and hopefully you got 4. Okay. Number 1, the children in Mrs. Conte's class planted 18 tomato plants and 16 pepper plants. The children in Mrs. Moncano's class planted 14 tomato plants and 15 squash plants. How many tomato plants did they plant all together? Okay, this is some more. But here's the thing, they only want tomato plants, right? So you're going to go in here and you're going to only underline tomato plants, 18 tomato plants, and the 14 tomato plants. You don't want anything to do with the pepper. We don't need pepper or squash. That's not what it's asking for. It's trying to trick you, okay? Your number sentence is going to be 18, and I'll put TP for tomato plants, plus 14 tomato plants, okay, equals, and I'm going to go to my workspace. You're going to do this one. Hopefully you already did this. Okay, 8 plus 4 is 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 3. So 32 TP. You guys will have 32 tomato plants. Okay. Write the whole thing out. Okay. Number 2, how much money is this? Write the amount in 2 ways. Here we go. Take a look at the coins, okay? We have the largest one, 25, and then it says 1 dime, so 10. This is a nickel, and then the last one is also a nickel. 25, 35, 40, 45, okay? So 45 cents. Okay, let's go ahead and write that down. The second way to write it with the $, 0, decimal point, 4, 5. Number 3, measure the sides of the rectangle in problem 2, this one, okay? Using centimeters. What is the perimeter? Okay, go ahead and measure that out. Remember that when you measure, the top and the bottom are the same and the sides are the same, okay? So I measured it out and I can look over here. It's 10 centimeters. And then on this side, it is 3 centimeters, okay? So when you add them, remember there's 2 of them, right? So yours could look different than mine. Your addition sentence, your number sentence could be different. That's okay. I'm gonna go with 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters. Remember there's 2 of them, right? There's 2 sides to that. Plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters, okay, equals. Now, there's 2 sides here also, right? There has to be 4. If you're measuring a square or rectangle, you just need to make sure you have 4 numbers adding together. All right, 10 plus 10 is 20, right? And then 3 plus 3 is 6. So 20 plus 6 is 26. All right, perimeter, 26 centimeters. Hopefully yours is neater than mine. Number 4, write a mixed number to show how many squares are shaded. Okay, how many whole squares? 1, 2, 3. This is just like the worksheet. The last one has 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, but only 1 is shaded, so 1/4. Number 5, how many pets do the children in room 6 have all together? Okay, here we have a Venn diagram, okay? Room 6, children's pets. How many pets in room 6 have all together? So we actually have to count up everything, right? All of them. So let's see, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. How many more dogs are there than birds? Okay, let's take a look at dogs. There's 5 dogs and there's 2 birds. How many more dogs, right? Well, I think it's 5 minus 2, right? There's 3 more dogs. Which 2 pets make up half of the children's pets, okay? Which of these make up half of the children's pets? Now, there's could be more than one answer, but let's see what they have available. Dogs and cats, well, let's see, dogs and cats, no, that's not half, 4 and 5, so that doesn't work. Birds and dogs, let's see, birds is 2, dogs is 5. When you put those pieces together, it's not 6, and that's 7, so that won't work. Cats and birds, let's see, cats and birds. Oh yeah, when you put these 2 pieces together, they make up half of the circle. So that one makes the most sense. All right, last couple ones, I mean. Find the answers. 82 minus 28, okay? You do have to borrow, so cross out the 2, make it a 12. Cross out the 8, make it a 7. 12 minus 8 equals 4. 7 minus 2 equals 5, 54. Changing of the signs. This is addition, plus sign. 346 plus 372. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 7 is 11. Put the 1 down, carry the 1. 3 digits, right? 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Here's another one, but look, we have a dollar sign now. So make sure you go in and put your dollar sign and your decimal, okay? 3-digit numbers again. $1.39 plus $5.68. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Put the 7 down, carry the 1. This is different. Be very careful. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Put the 0 down, carry the 1. Okay, same as before. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay. Carrying is, you can carry more than once inside an addition problem, and it's not hard. You already know what to do. Okay. Just do it very carefully and neatly, and you won't mess up. 8 times 5 equals 40. 3 times 5 equals 15. All right, guys, that does it for our guided class practice. Okay. Keep working hard, and I'll talk to you soon.